through my fingers, yeah, just like the earth beneath fell away.
Hey guys, so someone in the comments asked for this video on how to create a birthday video in Inshot. So make sure you watch the video till the end and let me know down in the comments what videos you want me to make next. So with that being said, let's get started. Create a new video with your photos. So these are the photos we want to use. Go to canvas and make sure it is set to Instagram 1:1. Then zoom it out. Repeat the steps and apply it to all the photos. And make adjustments to all the photos. Go to transitions. Use the super transitions that moves to the right side. Increase the duration to 2 seconds, then apply it to all. Split and delete the excess parts of the photo. Preview and save it. Create a new video with the saved video. Go to canvas and select YouTube's scene ratio 9. Go to filter, select effect, tap style and apply blow. Reduce the intensity. Move it to the end. Tap PIP and overlay the video again. Tap mask. Use a square mask to create a white border around the video. Reduce the border size. Now preview. Adjust the video. Tap PIP again, go to material and add this shiny star material. Tap full screen and overlay it multiple times to cover the videos. Go back to the effects and increase the blur effect. Let's add happy birthday text. And change the fonts. add new text, use letter O to create the circle style. You can add more text and even some stickers to make it look better. Let's add a cool music. Edit the music to sync with the video. Let's see the final result.
Just like the wind, she slipped through my fingers. Yeah, just like the earth beneath fell away.
Thank you so much for watching and much love I got for you. Peace.